Hey guys, welcome back to our tech. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can you unlock your iPhone if you forgot the password of your iPhone. So let's directly jump on the video how can you fix and repair this kind of problem. So first of all, you require to download this application from the given link below the description. So here it is, the application site. So iOS system recovery, my phone Fixipo iOS system recovery. Basically you need to simply download this application on your system, and simply after downloading that application, just simply install that. So it's very easy to install as well. So simply install, and here it is installing. And you also require original cable which comes with the phone. So you also require original cable basically. So it's successfully installed, and let's open the application. Start now, and simply connect. So I simply connected this application with the phone. So it's connected. So here it is. So here this is the user interface of this application basically. So you will getting these options like standard mode, advanced mode, reset iDevice, instead as you want enter and exit recovery mode. So basically here you will get all the options. Whatever the issues with your iPhones, you can fix accordingly. So here for white and black screen, stuck Apple logo, you can use the standard mode. For advanced mode, you can use password. If you forgot the password of screen lock and fail to fix your device, so you can use the standard mode to get your iPhone touch easily reset different status as you want. So let's reset that. Reset in one click, factory reset to the latest recommended when screen lock. So here it is, I selected for factory reset and next, and it asking me to enter some of the options. So simply hold the, so I have other models, so for that need to press and hold power and home button together. So after that need to hold. So here it is, let's jump in the iTunes mode, and the firmware is downloading. That downloading process will take around few minutes to complete basically. And my phone also getting, something started like, so just kept it as it is. Okay, retry. Okay, I think my phone got disconnected while doing that, and make sure to use the original cable, otherwise it will not work. So let's start again with holding the home and power button. So you can so it's again I have started, and it's 7% already completed. Let's see now it's worked or not. 14%. Finally the phone has been started. So set up manually. Set up manually. So I just finished setup of my iPhone. So just connecting with the iPad to finish the setup. Basically the touch, basically it's not working here, so I just set up in that way. It's good. So I set up it manually because I just forgot the passcode of the iPad as well. Continue. This passcode. This passcode. Don't use and agree. Continue. Visible. Continue. Get started. So here it is. So this is the way. In that way you can remove the password of any iPhones in very simple way. So it will work for all the iPhones, iPad and iPods. So if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.